Canada, a land of breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and incredible experiences. Whether you're visiting for leisure, business, or to see loved ones, getting a visitor visa is the first step toward experiencing all that this beautiful country has to offer. If you're planning a trip to Canada in 2025, it's important to know the basic requirements and process for obtaining a visitor visa. To get your visitor visa, you must first meet some essential requirements. First, you must have a valid travel document, like a passport, be in good health, and have no criminal or immigration-related convictions. Next, you need to convince an immigration officer that you have strong ties to your home country, such as a job, family, or assets that will ensure you return home after your visit. It's also essential to show that you have enough money for your stay in Canada. The amount depends on how long you plan to stay and where you'll stay, whether it's with friends, relatives, or at a hotel. While applying for your visitor visa, you might also be asked to provide additional documents, like a medical exam, or even a letter of invitation from someone in Canada. The letter of invitation helps the immigration officer assess your application, but remember, it doesn't guarantee approval. The inviter must include their complete name, address, job title, and proof of Canadian status, along with details about your relationship and the purpose of your visit. Your visit could be for a variety of reasons: tourism, business, visiting family, or even for compassionate reasons. Once your application is complete, you may be asked for biometrics or even attend an interview. Biometrics can help reduce processing delays, so be sure to book your appointment early. If you're applying with your family, there's a maximum fee of $500 for families of 5 or more people applying at the same time. The current processing fee for a visitor visa is $100 per person, with additional fees for biometrics, medical exams, and more. Remember, the key is to have all the required documents in order. Any missing information could delay or even result in the refusal of your application. Canada is waiting to welcome you. From the historic beauty of Old Quebec to the natural wonders of Banff National Park, your adventure starts here. So, get started today. Apply for your Canada Visitor Visa and come explore the true beauty of Canada. For more details on the application process, check the official immigration website or consult with an immigration expert. We hope to see you soon in Canada. Safe travels, and remember, the journey to Canada begins with the right visa. Subscribe for more travel tips and visa advice.